Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Confirm a stable connection and that you have administrator rights so the installer can write files. Once done, close the app and any related background processes to prevent file locks. Open the app's built-in updater or the Microsoft Store and find the app page. You're starting the update now. Make sure to note the current version so you can verify the upgrade later, because knowing the before state helps confirm success. You initiate the download and watch the progress. This step replaces or patches program files. While downloading, pause other big transfers to reduce errors and speed things up. When the installer asks for permissions, accept them so necessary components can be updated. This is why admin rights matter. If the updater offers to close the app or reboot later, choose based on your workflow. Keep the device awake and plugged in for desktops and laptops to avoid interrupted installs. You finish by restarting the app and, if requested, rebooting Windows to complete file registration. Once up, open About or Help and confirm the new version number. Then test the main features you rely on so you catch regressions early. If settings changed, restore your backup or reapply preferences. If the app fails or behaves badly, try the built-in repair, reinstall the app, or run the program in compatibility mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.